Okay, on a countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is one of the largest play areas that we have in our system, and this is a quite heavily used park, obviously, so we wanted to deliver something that was really unique and had a lot of different features. So we've got climbing apparatus that are quite tall. There's rock formations that are quite different. There's little house-type structures, and of course swing sets and climbing apparatus that give kids a lot of different things to do. And the fact that it's really spread out and it's quite large, it can accommodate a lot of kids because, as I had alluded to, this park is very heavily used.
We've been working on this for a long time, so I want to send a message to all the parents and neighbors out here. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for working on this. You knew what you wanted. You knew you wanted something, and to tell you the truth, it's even better than I had hoped for. So thank you for your patience. I'd say it's well worth the wait, and these kids are going to have a wonderful time here, and parents coming together to meet one another and build strong community.
This is a key to help the families in this neighborhood have access, as you said, to the outdoors, to fun, to exercise, because there are exercise places in the building. Thank you to the people here. Thank you for making your dreams come true. Thank you for supporting the city, and we support you. So have fun, enjoy it.
We need a park where everybody can be able to find something to do, some fun things to do, and a way to connect everybody. So I feel like my community is connected, and I'm so happy.